Ready? Start. First ground of challenge is that the petitioner has been in possession since the year 1950. Stop. The argument has been made to be rejected. Stop. The factum of possession of the petitioner since 1950 over the disputed parcel of land was apparently not raised before the consolidation authorities. Stop. In any case, the consolidation courts have not found in favor of the possession of the petitioner. Stop. Form CH45 is not in any manner incompatible with the judgment of the consolidation authorities. Stop para. The consolidation proceedings have been attained finality. Stop. Moreover, this is a disputed question of fact which cannot be examined in writ jurisdiction by this court at this stage, since no perversity has been established in the findings of the courts below. Stop para. The second fault line in the impugned orders, according to the learned counsel for the petitioner, is that the patta is not in the record. Stop. In the revenue records, Assami patta entries has been existing since long. Stop. Long standing revenue entries have a presumption of correctness in their favor. Stop. Of course, this is a rebuttable presumption, but the petitioner has failed to adduce any credible evidence to refute such presumption. Stop. The finding that the disputed parcel was land comprised in an Assami patta is thus upheld. Stop para. Before this court, no perversity in the findings has been pointed out from the records. Stop. The learned courts below have observed full procedural propriety. Stop. Conclusions reached by the learned courts below are reasonable and achieve the applicable standards of evidence. Stop. In fact, all relevant facts on the foot of which the impugned orders were passed are admitted by the petitioner. Stop. The process for holding the petitioner to be an illegal occupant cannot be faulted. Stop. The procedure for directing eviction of the petitioner being an illegal occupant has been strictly followed. Stop para. Before parting, this court would like to examine the importance of ponds as part of ecological heritage of an area. Stop. Water bodies like ponds are natural resources that comprise the collective wealth of the local population as well as the nation at large. Stop. These natural bodies and environmental assets are being subjected to degradation and encroachment. Stop. Such encroachment and degradation most often causes irreversible damage to the ecology. Stop para. The authorities are under an obligation of law to scrupulously maintain the records and measurements of natural assets of the community. Stop. It is also the statutory duty of authorities to ensure that any eviction upon such natural assets is vacated promptly in accordance with law. Stop para. At this stage, it would be apposite to fortify the narrative with judicial authorities in point. Stop para. In the case of Hinch Lal Tiwari versus Kamala Devi and others, reported at 2001 6 SCC 496, an issue relating to an encroachment over the public land and official apathy in vacating such encroachment was posed to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court, considering the importance of public ponds and other natural resources and the onerous duty of the state authorities to bestow unbroken vigilance and restore such natural resources to their original state held as under.